High scale, guys. Today we have aircraft scales. And to calibrate these scales, at first you should open the box. And here in the bottom you have switch, like a button. And to calibrate the scales, you are choosing which scales you want to calibrate, 1, 2, 3 or 4, which is red, green, yellow or blue. And to calibrate you should go to the mode. You press mode button and asking about weight mode, setup mode or calibration mode. And we by pressing enter button, we press enter button to confirm it, and it's asking us to press internal switch, which is this one. So I press the switch. Now it's asking us about decimal. You don't need to change anything, but you can by pressing the arrows. So I don't need to change, so I just press enter button. Counting by 1, yes, sure. Dummy 0, now it's calibrating 0. I press enter. Calibration units, pounds, yes. Capacity 5,000 pounds, yes. Cal points 2, okay. I'm agree, we will use 2 calibration points, yes. First will be 2500, okay. Another will be 5000, okay. Calibration, yes. So we press 1 and enter. And now it's asking about the scales. Which scales do we want to calibrate? We will want to calibrate second one. Remove all from the all weight. So now it's asking about the calibration 0. So we have nothing on the scales here. So we press enter button. Now it's asking us about 2500 pounds. And we put this weight, just you should put it right, so it do straight. Now it's straight, and we press and put 2500. Okay, we put a little bit more, so I have 25, 10, and when it will be 25 I will just press enter button. Now it's asking about 5,000 pounds, so we have put 5,000. $5.10. We're waiting until it will be 5 and press enter. And now we just calibrated it, asking us about another scales. No, we don't need to calibrate another one. So we press 0 and enter button. And now it shows 49.90, 49.88, and it's counting by 1, so it's going faster, and it's counting by 10. So calibration is done. Have fun, guys. Now it's 80. So that's all. And the same you will do with another scales. You just choose which scales do you need to calibrate. That's all. I don't want to make long video because nobody will watch it. So, but if somebody needs, I can do it for them. Have fun, guys.